Hi, Vera.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Hi.
So yeah, welcome everyone to today's edition of the Solve What Matters webinar series. Today we'll be exploring AI applications for healthcare, like we said earlier, and we have from Skinive to discuss this important application of AI in healthcare. So which we think is a very interesting topic. So Vera, I think you can start. So everyone, feel free to share your comments or questions. Let's just get started. Thank you so much for your time.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Ranius, for the introduction. As you already mentioned, I'm Vera, and I'm a business development manager at Skinive. We design and develop solutions for skin screening. Welcome to my presentation. Today, I will talk about the growing role of artificial intelligence in dermatology and how mobile applications powered by AI can transform cosmetic and dermatological practice. And also, I'm going to introduce you Skinive apps, artificial intelligence diagnostic tools for primary care specialists and home use. So, welcome to my presentation. Let's start with the problem. So, we all know that access to dermatological services remains a challenge worldwide, and 70% of patients with skin issues don't even see a doctor. Shockingly, there are only about 30 dermatologists per 1 million people. This shortage is particularly felt in regions like Africa and beyond. As we delve into addressing dermatological concerns, it's crucial to highlight the diverse specialists who can benefit from using AI. So, the general practitioners, physicians, family doctors, as they usually serve as the front line in patient care, often encountering skin issues first. Also, skin pathology specialists like dermatologists, oncologists, or medical cosmetologists, and also beauticians and other specialties who may come into contact with patient skin and detect any pathology. So here you can see the current customer journey. We all know that access to care is the major issue in dermatology, and now customer journey looks like this. So it usually starts with a general practitioner or cosmetologist who finds a skin issue on the skin and routes the patient to relevant medical specialist, dermatologist or oncologist in our case. After this, if a specialist recognized any pathology, the patient can be sent to biopsy, and only after that, the patient get diagnosis and prescribed treatment. So generally, patients are not really motivated to go to the doctor and check their moles. And another problem is that primary care specialists have comparatively low accuracy, which is below 60%. And now we see that more than 30% of all cases are not diagnosed or late diagnosed, which is not a good case. And here you can see the ideal customer journey with the AI skin check app. Of course, we try to make it easier and faster for both patients and medical professionals. Um, so if we apply AI in medical practice and cosmetology practice, and even for home use, for self skin exams, we can improve this process, and patients will be more motivated to visit a medical professional and identify skin issues at the earliest stage when the treatment is not so difficult and expensive. So, generally, AI empowers patients to take control of their skin health as well. So let me introduce you our solution, Skinive. It's leading application in this domain. So using artificial intelligence, it evaluates skin conditions, offers valuable insights, and suggests potential next steps, all from a simple photo uploaded by the user. The solution is CE marked and ISO certified and has significant clinical evidence and number of scientific publications in respected journals. It also provides more than 95% of accuracy, which is compared to professional dermatologist accuracy. So let me explain you how it works. The user simply uploads a photo, which is being analyzed by artificial intelligence and gets risk assessment, which can be identified as low, medium, or high, depending on the disease. Preliminary diagnosis, recommendations for next steps, and also detailed pathology description with the photo examples, smart prescription, and skincare tips. Skinive solution can recognize more than 50 skin diseases in 6 main classes. As you can see, there are acne, herpes and viral diseases, mycosis, different types of cancer, psoriasis and dermatitis and eczema. We're also proud of our diverse data set. So we adopted our algorithm to analyze skin from first to fifth class by Fitzpatrick scale. We're also very proud of our dermatological atlas, which is kind of unique. So from where the users can receive verified medical information, such as detailed description and disease symptoms, how the disease can be diagnosed, photographic examples, treatment advices and tips, which can be really useful, especially for primary care specialists. So here you can see the use cases where the application can be used. So it basically can be used at home for skin self-exams, in primary care for effective identification and management of dermatological conditions, smart prescription, also patient triage to the relevant specialist if it's needed, and patient management. It helps to early disease detection, reduce claims, and provides better risk assessment. So basically, we offer 2 products. One is for home use, which is Skinive app, and second product is Skinive MD, which is specially designed for medical professionals. In this slide, you can see what do doctors think of Skinive MD app. As you can see, the majority of them evaluated Skinive algorithm of high accuracy or very high accuracy. And actually, the solution is already used by over medical institutions worldwide, by more than 100 medical specialists. So that was it. If you would like to try our solution for medical professionals, please be free to use this QR code and download it from App Store or Google Play and get 1 month of free use. Yeah, thank you for attention. This was it. I'll be happy to answer your questions.
Wow. Thank you so much, Vera.
Thank you for the attention.
Yes. So, Vera, like you mentioned, the solution is available to. Thank you so much for clinicians, for
Hello.
yeah. Can you hear me, Vera?
Yes, I can hear you.
Brilliant. So my question is, so what's the if a clinician wants to use the solution, how does the person go about it? Like, is it free of charge? What are the pricing structure? And then secondly, so what is the pricing structure? If you don't mind, how do you pay? What are the, if someone wants to use the solution, is it free of charge or is there payment attached?
Well, yeah, the solution has a 1 month free trial period where the users can go and download it, go and check as many skin conditions as they desire. And in case they would like to get a subscription and continue to use the solution, yeah, they can get a subscription. Actually, the pricing. The price starts from 10 euros and goes up to 100 euros per year, depending on the amount of images. But the first impression users can get from a free trial period, yeah, please be free to download and use it with unlimited checks.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think that was a nice presentation overall. That was a nice presentation and fast one at that. So it was a quick one, which I think is good. So that people can basically learn about the crux of the application and then maybe try to explore it. So without wasting so much of your time, I think maybe what we'll do is as more people use it, and then maybe if they have any questions, they have any concerns, we'll be able to share that with you. But like just to confirm, the solution is available for people to use around the world, right? Anybody can use it from around the world and get adequate support, right?
Yes, around the world, but
Especially.
the United States for the moment. It's not available in the United States, but we're working on it and we will launch it probably at the end of the year. But now it's available everywhere except the US.
Okay, so it's available in Europe, it's available in Africa, Asia, and so
Definitely,
on, right?
definitely. In India, in Australia, everywhere.
Okay, brilliant. So I think that says it all. So I think hopefully the thing is, I believe is as more dermatologists, more clinicians use it, we'll be able to like if you have any, if you get any questions, get any concerns, we'll be able to push that to you. And then like I want to clarify for clinicians especially. I just want to confirm there is, adequate support so that if someone has an issue, they can quickly bring that up to you for solutions, right?
Yeah, definitely. They can reach. We also have a special support section, can be easily found on the website. Or yeah, they can contact me directly if they have any issues with the application.
Okay, brilliant. And just the last one before I let you go. What is the major difference between the clinician app? I mean, obviously the app has two sections or two categories. One for the clinicians and the other for home use. What are the major differences, if you don't mind? Just a
Yeah,
quick
sure.
one.
Yeah, sure. There are some features for clinicians that are not available for home use, such as patient management tool or patient triage Also, the dermatological atlas is slightly extensive compared to the one which is available for home use. Just a little bit extensive features, but basically it uses the same technology. And another difference is the price. The application for home use only includes one free check. So further, if you want to go, you gotta pay for subscription, or you can buy a bundle. Actually, we're working on creating bundles, like selling them like that.
Okay, brilliant. So, I think you've said everything. Yeah, the only thing I might say, just for I mean, I think hopefully would work out a way to like ensure that the solution is very, very affordable, because that's one another thing. I know, especially in regions like Africa, where we don't have so much access to dermatologists, but this is something people would need, to improve access to, quality dermatological care. So I think over time we could work out a way to ensure that the solution is affordable, which is one of the major things we are trying to do at Medneed, to, make sure that some of these innovative solutions are very affordable. So I think over time we could work out a way to ensure that it's within reach. However we do it, I believe you make that available to more people, especially those who have budgetary constraints, or who for some reasons may not be able to fully afford it. Hope we are not pushing too much or not asking too much. Yeah, but I think that's something we need to like think about and try to work out. So I think without wasting much of your time, what do you think? Maybe a final word before we end the session.
I think the best way to explore the possibilities of AI in dermatological practice is just to download the app and try to use it in your practice. And we are free for questions or for offers. Feel free to contact us if you require any assistance or any requests. So I was glad to present for you today. Thank you for having me, and have a good evening. And also, I'd like to mention that we are open for joint scientific collaborations. We're also available for that offer. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a very good point you just made, Vera, because it will be very helpful for more clinicians and life scientists, developers, researchers who are interested in improving access to quality dermatological care, to be able to work with Skinive to sort of like ensure that it actually solves the need, sort of like validate, or if you like, make basically make sure that we have the right results for the right locations. I mean, this is AI and this is healthcare, and sometimes it's good to do more validation. Yeah, so it's good you just mentioned that, so that people are aware that those who are interested in research collaboration can always come up and explore opportunities with Skinive.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I think maybe just give us a final word and we wrap up.
Yeah, so my final word would be thank you for having me here, and we hope to improve the healthcare environment together in Africa and other regions. Yeah, as I already mentioned, the best way to start, just download the apps and try and start to explore and use it in your practice.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Ranius. Bye.